Republic Day long speech in English. Good morning to everyone present here. Today I stand before you to talk about a very special occasion in our country's history, Republic Day. On this day, January 26, 1950, India became a republic. As we celebrate Republic Day on 2024, let's delve into its significance and what it means for us as citizens of this great nation. Republic Day is not just a national holiday. It marks the day when India adopted its constitution. This constitution lays the foundation of our country and outlines the rights and duties of its citizens. It significances the establishment of India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. On this day, we remember and honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and leaders who fought tirelessly for India's independence and its democratic future. The Constitution of India, the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world, was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a team of brilliant minds. It guarantees fundamental rights to all its citizens such as equality, freedom and justice, regardless of their religion, race, caste or gender. It is a living document that has evolved over the years, ensuring that every Indian citizen is protected and empowered. Republic Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. The main event takes place in the capital, New Delhi, where a grand parade showcases India's military strength and cultural diversity. This parade is a symbol of our unity in diversity, representing various cultures, traditions, and the armed forces. Schools and communities across the nation also celebrate this day with flag hosting, cultural programs, and speeches. As students and future leaders of this country, we have a significant role to play. Understanding our constitution and respecting the laws of the land are the first steps towards being responsible citizens. We should also strive to uphold the values of tolerance, brotherhood, and unity, which are essential for the progress of our nation. Republic Day is a day of pride, reflection, and celebration. It is a day to remember our past, celebrate our present, and look forward to a bright future. Let us all pledge to work towards the betterment of our country. Jai Hind!